Congrats, treat for free for winning. So what you chose to win this time is Electro Shuffle. So that's exactly what you're gonna get. We're gonna buy that as gift. We're gonna pick treat for free. 1, 2, 3. Continue on. We're gonna send it out. And once you get it, if you can do the dance for us, it'll be great. So you should have got it by now. Somebody's game crashed. The other person in the party. Treat for free got it. He's doing the dance. There we go. Alright, congrats, Treat for free for winning the giveaway. Make sure to sign up for the other one. And anybody else that wants to sign up for any other giveaways, watch out for that particular video that's coming up.